My name is Alicia Brooks, and I'm a writing coach, and I'm a writer of several novels and screenplays, and a writer's book just for you. And I want to help you overcome writer's block for good. In one of our prior episodes, we talked about inspiration and how to find it. There was a brainstorming session, and so I want to go a little bit further, deeper, delve a little bit deeper into that. Besides just pulling things out of your head, you can actually extrovert and look around to find inspiration. And it's much the same as our brainstorming session where you write things down. But what I'd like you to do is look everywhere. Look in this direction, and as you look around, note things that you see. So for an example, in my room, you can see this bicycle. So you would note that down. Leaves, right there, you can see, write down leaves. So just do this as a drill. I want you to, take a piece of paper out and look all around you and write down the things that you see, like the physical objects in front of you. Do you have the computer? Do you have a wine bottle? A pen? A bicycle? Write these things down so that you can look at all the things that you're surrounded by. You can do this in the park. You can do this sitting in your car. Write these things down and see what happens, okay? Because I want you to have a full list of objects, locations, things, animals, whatever is in your purview. I want you to write it down. Now, when you're done with that exercise, I want you to take the prior exercise, the brainstorming exercise, and put this additional brainstorming exercise, which is more like a, view storming. You're seeing what your view is and put it down on paper. And I want you to look at the two things side by side, because now you have objects, you're creating your space, right? So you have a particular space that you can draw from. You have these ideas that are, basically masses in the mind, they're ideas, they're not physical objects, they're just ideas. But then you have these physical objects, right? So now you're going to put them together. So what you can do is you can take a look at what you've written. Now, in this prior exercise, we had written the male-on-male romance, and it's supposed to be a mystery because there's a murder, and the cop had killed the person, whoever this is. We haven't decided who it is yet. So now you've got things like, okay, you've got your wine bottle, right? So that's an object. You're going to put that into your murder mystery romance, right? Maybe you have a cell phone. Maybe you have a bicycle. You have the leaves falling. So it could be fall, So all of these particular things, they can inspire you. So use that, do that drill, and see what you come up with. I would love to have messages in my inbox to find out exactly what you discovered from this drill, okay? If this video has inspired you and you'd like to know more, send me a message below.